If you're watching this, chances are you or someone you love has been struggling with alcohol. First, let me say this. You are not weak and you are not alone. Millions of people are fighting the same battle every single day. And the fact that you're here means you've already taken a first step toward change. First principle is understanding the problem. Alcohol feels like a friend at first. It takes away the stress, the pain, the loneliness. But over time, that friend turns into a chain. Addiction isn't just about drinking too much. It's about losing control, about relying on a bottle to cope with life. And the truth is, until you face that reality, nothing will change. Second principle is taking steps to freedom. So how do you stop? The first step is admitting honestly to yourself that alcohol has power over you. Say it out loud if you have to, because honesty breaks denial, and denial is the fuel of addiction. The second step is removing triggers. Don't keep alcohol in your home. Stay away from places or people that push you back into drinking. At first, this will feel like losing a part of yourself, but it's actually gaining your life back. The third step is seeking support. No one breaks free alone. Whether it's a trusted friend, a support group like AA, or a professional therapist, find someone to walk with you. Sharing your struggle cuts the weight in half. The third principle is building a new life. Stopping alcohol isn't just about saying no. It's about creating a new yes. Replace drinking with something life-giving. Exercise, read, learn a skill, volunteer. Addiction thrives in emptiness, but it dies when your life is filled with purpose. And remember this, you will slip. Almost everyone does. Don't let one relapse convince you that you failed. Every day you wake up and try again is a victory. Alcohol addiction doesn't define you. It's just a chapter, not your whole story. And your story isn't over yet. Imagine a life where you're free, where your mind is clear, your body is strong, and your relationships are healed. That life is possible, and it can start today with one decision, one step, and one honest commitment to yourself. If this spoke to you, don't just click away. Take action. And remember, you are stronger than you think, and you are worth saving.